everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing a very interesting launch by Kama Ayurveda, which is their Kama Ayurveda Bringadi Kesh Lepam. So, honestly speaking, I have tried hair masks left, right and center because God knows my hair needs them, but I've never tried anything like this before, which is 100% organic and all of that. So ये जो Kama Ayurveda का new launch है, I'll be trying it for the first time. I will be doing all the steps in front of the camera, like it's going to be a very transparent video, and trust me guys, this is going to be that video which will help you decide whether you should invest your money in this product or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is how it is packaged. It is very basic, very earthy. मतलब इसको उठाते साथ ही आपको एक वो organic product वाली feel आएगी. The back they mentioned the ingredients, the directions, and what you should expect from this product, and of course the fact that it is free from artificial preservatives, colorants, petrochemicals and fragrance. So yeah, that the reason why I'm so excited to try something like this is कि एक product जो इतना organic है वो मेरे बालों में कैसे काम करता है, right? Now this is how it looks from the inside. It's made out of soft plastic अगर आप देखो, because you'll have to squeeze the product out. It is made like this. This thing over here is the cap that you have to open, and then you get like a point like this, and when you squeeze it out the product will come out, which I'll just demonstrate now. The method of using this product is that you have to shake the bottle really well as it is mentioned in the directions. उसके बाद you have to open this, and then honestly मुझे नहीं पता इसके अंदर क्या है, कुछ oil जैसा है या serum जैसा, I have no idea. So what you have to do is you have to like squeeze out the product. Oh, it's literally like a lap. So this is what has come out of it. मतलब the color of it is something between like mehendi and clay. Not a fan of this color, if you know what I mean. And if you talk about the consistency, so it's not as thin as a serum and it is not as thick as a spa cream. तो ये ना somewhere in between spa cream and serum का जो एक mixture होता है, it's something like that. It has a very organic fragrance. मतलब the moment you smell it, मतलब इतना strong fragrance है कि आपको अपने आप ही smell आ जाएगी. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि मैं कुछ बड़ा जड़ी बूटी टाइप का अपने बालों में लगाने वाली हूँ. So honestly speaking, the product looks promising, but yeah, let's try it and find out the truth. This is a pre-wash treatment. Normally जितने भी masks होते हैं, they are supposed to be used after you have washed your hair, but because it's a pre-wash treatment, हम इसे shampoo करने से या hair wash करने से पहले use करेंगे. Alright. Now before I actually begin with the application, I want to show you the true status of my hair. तो ये है मेरे बाल, and they are full of chemicals in the sense कि मैंने अपने बालों में बहुत ज़्यादा blonde color कराया हुआ है, and on the top of it, I played a really crazy Holi this year. तो आप देख सकते हो कितना सारा जो होली का कलर है वो मेरे बालों में सेटल हो गया है. सो द सिचुएशन ऑफ माई हेयर इज रियली बैड. ऑनेस्टली माई हेयर नीड्स ऑल काइंड ऑफ हेल्प, और आई थिंक अगर इस प्रोडक्ट की अग्नि परीक्षा लेने के लिए कोई बाल हमें सूटेबल है तो वो इसी टाइप के बाल है, विच आर लिटरली स्क्रीमिंग फॉर हेल्प. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सपोज टू बी अप्लाइड ऑन द रूट्स एज वेल एज ऑन द लेंथ. कई बार जो हेयर मास्क वगैरह होते हैं उनमें कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि बालों के रूट्स पे लगाना है या नहीं लगाना है, बट इट इज़ क्लियरली मैंशनड कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये आप रूट से लेकर एंड्स तक लगाओगे, है ना. नाउ इट इज़ नॉट mentioned anywhere that you have to apply it section wise, but because मेरे बाल काफ़ी damaged है, I think section wise application would be better. Now you can either apply it directly from the nozzle, or you can take out some product in your hand and start applying it. I hope it is visible. So this is, so मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है पीछे, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to apply it on the scalp, and the remaining तो आप देख सकते हो दैट इट्स अ वेरी लाइक लिक्विडी प्रोडक्ट. काफ़ी ऐसे मेरे बाल कितने गीले से हो गए हैं, राइट. सो इन द सिमिलर फैशन I will be applying this product on the entire scalp. Right. So now this product is on my entire hair and I can tell you one thing, that it's drying up really fast. तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें बहुत जल्दी से इसे अप्लाई करना है, because according to the directions you have to massage it on your scalp for like a few minutes. तो अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा सूख जाएगा तो ये बहुत problematic हो जाएगा मसाज करना. So one tip that I can give you is that you have to work really fast with this product. Now after you're done with the massage, you have to keep this product on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes, है ना, यही टाइम लिमिट है जो इसमें दी हुई है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू वॉश योर हेयर. तो अब मैं क्या करूँगी, मैंने प्रोडक्ट लगा लिया है, मैंने मसाज कर ली है. नाउ आई विल बी कीपिंग दिस hair like this for 15 minutes and then I will shampoo my hair and come back. Okay guys, so I have like shampooed my hair, conditioner भी लगाया है, although I've used like very little because I wanted to see कि ये product किस हद तक काम करता है. But I'll not lie to you, मैंने definitely थोड़ा सा conditioner लगाया है बालों के ends पे. And now I will wait for my hair to dry और उसके बाद मैं share करूँगी अपना final feedback. Hi guys, welcome back. So my hair is all dried now, and while I was waiting to get my hair dried and all, I just did a little bit of makeup to feel a little glamorous and stuff like that. And now that I've used this product for the first time, I do have quite some things to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get started on that. Now first of all, I definitely felt like a reduction in my hair fall. I mean, I know I've used this product for the first time और मैं इतना बड़ा claim आकर नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि ये तो hair fall को एकदम ख़त्म कर देगा. But trust me guys, I do have a hair fall problem. But today after मैंने पूरा ये treatment करके, when I shampooed my hair, I definitely felt कि जो hair fall है वो पहले से कम हुआ था. So in that sense I feel कि if I continue using it, my hair fall problem will definitely get reduced. This is like a vibe that I have got today from this product. Also I feel a noticeable difference in the texture of my hair. अगर आपने मेरा hair का before देखा हो, you must have seen they were also frizzy and rough and all of that. But this is my naturally dried hair and you can see that ये कितने better dry हुए हैं naturally. And when I touch my hair, I definitely feel कि एक वो जो smoothness है वो आई है, especially मतलब जो ये वाला portion है, I definitely feel कि वो पहले से ज़्यादा इसका जो texture है वो improve हुआ है. Now this product also claims that it works on the डैंड्रफ प्रॉब्लम. तो मेरा जो डैंड्रफ टाइप है वो स्टिकी है, एंड स्पेशली जैसे जैसे समर्स आती हैं और स्वेट बढ़ता है, इट बिकम्स लाइक इवन मोर इरिटेबल. सो व्हाट आई नोटिस विद दिस प्रोडक्ट वाज दैट क्योंकि हमने इसको स्कैल्प पे भी लगाया था, एंड इवन व्हेन आई वाज वॉशिंग माय हेयर, आई डेफिनेटली फेल्ट अ कूलिंग सेंसेशन. मतलब जैसे जब आप कोई एंटी डैंड्रफ प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हो, सो यू फील अ कूलिंग इन योर स्कैल्प जो इरिटेशन को सूट करता है, एंड यू फील दैट इट्स किलिंग द डैंड्रफ. Some kind of that feeling I also felt with this product. And like right now, although मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही shampoo करा है, my scalp is feeling very fresh, in a good way. It's feeling very nice and very fresh. So I definitely feel कि dandruff पे भी इसका काम हुआ होगा. And most importantly, it says that it also works on premature graying, and I have a major problem of premature graying, so I am definitely looking forward to use this product. And in that course मैं ज़रूर एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसमें I'll tell you कि मेरे premature graying पे कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा है या नहीं पड़ा है. But overall what I can say is that this Kama Ayurveda hair mask is definitely a very promising product. एक बार ही इसको use करके I am seeing a lot of positive changes in my hair. according to the instruction, you should use it at least once in a week. So that is the plan from now. I'm definitely going to incorporate it in my routine once in a week. And I am like, जब मेरे ये पूरा जो bottle है ये खत्म हो जाएगा, I am planning to shoot another video, so because I want to you know show कि एक जो compounded result होता है इस product को use करने का वो क्या था. जो first time results थे वो बहुत अच्छे थे. They were honestly much more than I expected, because you know when you're using like this whole natural organic products, you think कि results आने में time लगेगा, but trust me guys, like even in the first usage I definitely feel कि जो overall results आए हैं वो बहुत अच्छे आए हैं. Right now my recommendation would be that if you are also looking for a product to maintain your mane and you don't want to put any chemicals and all that in your hair, then this is the product for you. It is like 100% natural product coming from Kama Ayurveda, you know, the brand that is always known for delivering results. And you know, that's a great product, extremely promising, and I would highly recommend you to try it as well. I have mentioned the purchase link in the description box below so that you can, you know, easily find out from where you can get this product. And honestly, I'm so glad that I could find a product which is naturally driven, and you know it is working so well on my hair. I'm really happy to review this for you guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. Whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below, and I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.